Let me ask you something first, and don't answer fast. Actually think. When you say, I want to become taller, do you mean numbers on a scale or how people see you when you walk into a room? Because those are two very different things, and I learned that the hard way. I'll be honest with you, if you're past your natural growth age, no video, no exercise, no miracle routine is going to suddenly stretch your bones overnight. Anyone promising that? They're lying to you. But here's what most people don't understand. Height is not just bone length. It's posture. It's spinal compression. It's muscle balance. It's how much gravity has crushed you over the years. And yes, you can reclaim real centimeters if you do this properly. Let me explain. First question for you. When was the last time you stood completely straight without forcing it? Exactly. Most people walk around compressed. Phones pulled their neck forward. Chairs rounded their spine. Stress tightened their hips. You didn't get shorter, you got folded. I was. Here's the first thing that actually works. Spinal decompression. Not hanging once and quitting. I'm talking daily. Dead hangs. Controlled stretching. Sleeping positions that don't curl you up. Strengthening your back so it holds your height. Ask yourself this. If you compress something for years, does it bounce back in 1 week? No. It takes consistency. Second question, and be honest. Do you breathe into your chest or your stomach? Most people breathe shallow. That keeps your rib cage collapsed and your posture weak. Deep breathing plus posture correction literally lifts your frame. Small change, big visual difference. People noticed before I did. Now let's talk about something no one mentions. Height illusion. This is not fake, it's psychology. When your shoulders are wider, your waist tighter, your neck longer, people assume you're taller. That's why some guys at 5 feet 7 inches command more presence than guys at 6 feet 0 inches. So ask yourself, are you chasing inches or respect? Because the solution depends on that answer. Now the emotional part. Listen carefully. Most men don't want height. They want confidence without being judged. They want to stop feeling small in photos, in groups, next to certain people. And that pain is real. I won't dismiss it. But here's the truth I wish someone told me earlier. If you hate your height, fix everything around it first. Your posture, your body, your walk, your stillness. Because when you do that, even if you gain 1 to 2 real inches, it feels like 5. Final question before I end this. Are you trying to grow taller in 2026? Or are you trying to stop feeling inferior? Because one requires biology, the other requires knowledge and discipline. And only one of those is fully in your control. Comment this, only if you're serious. Comment, how tall are you? And what do you actually want to fix? Not jokes, not trolling. Real answers only, because the next video depends on you.